While it seems everyone has an opinion on Brexit, one group of people who don't seem to is the Love Island contestants. In fact, it turns out a few of them aren't sure exactly what it is. The worlds of politics and reality TV collided during Friday's episode, as the female islanders attempted to discuss Britain's forthcoming exit from the EU. 20-year-old student Georgia Steele brought the subject up during a conversation in the Villa Garden, to which model Hayley Hughes replied, "What's that? But if that has already got you face-palming, we hate to tell you, things got a lot worse." The greatest piece of TV for 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present you with Love Island contestants discuss Brexit of Europe, and Georgia attempted to make some comment about trade deals. Hayley replied, "So does that mean we won't have any trees? That's got nothing to do with it, babe. That's weather." Georgia told her. As Kendall Rainey tried to be the sensible voice in the conversation, explaining the difference between being in Europe and being in the EU, Georgia then said, "Doesn't it mean it would be harder to go to Spain and stuff? So it would be harder to go on holidays?" Hayley responded, "Oh, I love my holidays." The whole exchange sparked some inspired reactions on Twitter. "I've just seen a clip of Love Island contestants discussing Brexit. I won't divulge the depth of insight on display. But to be fair, they're as clueless as most Brexiters, but funnier." June 8, 2018. Use code Brexit for 10% off. Girls. From Niall Aslam. Only a few days ago, the Geordie gym owner ditched her so he could pair up with newbie Rosie Williams in the first recoupling ceremony. Love Island continues on Sunday at 9 p.m. on ITV2. Love Island 2018 contestants.